Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike here. Today we're going to talk about some serious symptoms that you should never ignore. You know, I always say health is wealth, but it's more than that. It's about living your best life. We often brush off little aches and pains, but sometimes those seemingly minor issues can be our body's way of sounding the alarm. We're going to go over 7 alarming symptoms that warrant a call to your doctor. Ignoring these could have serious consequences, so let's make sure you know what to look out for. Your health is your wealth, so let's dive right in. We all get headaches, right? But when is a headache more than just a headache? If you experience a headache that comes on suddenly and hits you like a ton of bricks, that's a major red flag. We're not talking about your typical tension headache here. This is the kind of pain that makes you stop in your tracks. This could be a sign of something serious, like a stroke or even an aneurysm. These conditions affect the blood vessels in your brain, and trust me, you don't want to mess around with those. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dr. Mike. Every time I have a headache, I can't exactly rush to the ER. And you're right, you need to know the difference. Along with the intense pain, look out for other symptoms like blurred vision, slurred speech, weakness on one side of your body, or a stiff neck. These are signs that something is seriously wrong, and you need to call 911 immediately. Okay, I get it. Most of us wouldn't mind losing a few pounds, and we're bombarded with ads for weight loss programs and supplements. But what if the pounds start melting away without any effort on your part? While it might seem like a dream come true, unexplained weight loss can actually be a sign of some pretty serious underlying health issues. We're talking about conditions like cancer, diabetes, or thyroid problems. These conditions can mess with your metabolism and cause your body to shed pounds even if you're eating the same amount as always. So, if you notice you're dropping weight without making any changes to your diet or exercise routine, don't just brush it off. Get yourself to a doctor and get checked out. Early detection is key when it comes to these conditions. Alright, let's talk about chest pain. This is one symptom you never ever want to ignore. Your heart is a vital organ, and any pain or pressure in your chest could be a sign that something is wrong with your ticker. We're talking about serious conditions like a heart attack or other heart-related problems. Now, chest pain can feel different for everyone. Some people describe it as a crushing pressure, while others feel a tightness or burning sensation. You might also feel pain that radiates to your arms, jaw, back, or even your stomach. If you experience any type of chest discomfort, especially if it comes on suddenly or lasts for more than a few minutes, call 911 immediately. Don't wait to see if it goes away. Every second counts when it comes to your heart health. Chapter 4. Difficulty breathing. When taking a breath becomes a struggle. Breathing is something we do without even thinking about it, right? It's automatic. But when you start having difficulty breathing, it's a clear sign that something is off. This could be a sign of respiratory issues like asthma or pneumonia, heart problems, or even a severe allergic reaction. Now, difficulty breathing can manifest in different ways. You might feel short of breath, like you can't quite catch your breath, or you might experience wheezing, a whistling sound when you breathe. If you're struggling to breathe, don't try to tough it out. Seek medical help immediately, especially if it comes on suddenly or is accompanied by chest pain, bluish lips or fingernails, or a rapid heartbeat. Chapter 5. Severe abdominal pain. Don't let pain in your gut be ignored. We've all experienced stomach aches and cramps, but severe abdominal pain is a whole different ballgame. We're talking about pain that's so intense it makes you double over or brings you to tears. This kind of pain can be a sign of a serious problem like appendicitis, gallstones, pancreatitis, or a bowel obstruction. Now, the location of the pain can give you some clues about what might be going on. For example, pain in the lower right abdomen can be a sign of appendicitis, while pain in the upper right abdomen could indicate gallstones. But regardless of the location, if you're experiencing severe abdominal pain, don't hesitate to get it checked out by a medical professional. Our vision is something we often take for granted, but sudden changes in vision should never be ignored. Imagine waking up one morning and your vision is blurry, or you see flashing lights or floaters in your field of vision. These can be signs of serious eye conditions like a stroke, retinal detachment, or optic neuritis. Now, sudden vision loss in one or both eyes is a medical emergency. Don't wait to see if it gets better on its own. Time is of the essence when it comes to preserving your vision. So if you experience any sudden changes in your vision, get to an eye doctor or emergency room immediately. We've all felt a little dizzy or lightheaded at some point, maybe after standing up too quickly or if we haven't eaten enough. But severe dizziness or lightheadedness that comes on suddenly or persists is a different story. This can be a sign of a variety of conditions, including inner ear problems, dehydration, low blood sugar, or even a stroke or heart problems. If you're feeling dizzy or lightheaded, it's important to sit or lie down immediately to prevent falls. Drink some water and try to eat something if you haven't eaten recently. If the dizziness is severe, persists for more than a few minutes, or is accompanied by other symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, or slurred speech, seek medical attention right away. Confusion and disorientation can be incredibly frightening experiences. It's like your brain is struggling to process information and make sense of the world around you. This can be a sign of a variety of conditions, including a stroke, infection, medication reaction, low blood sugar, or even a head injury. If you or someone you're with experiences sudden confusion or disorientation, don't try to brush it off. It's crucial to seek medical attention immediately to determine the underlying cause. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a world of difference in these situations. Remember, your health is paramount. If you experience any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical help. Early detection and treatment are crucial for a positive outcome. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your health. I know it can be scary when your body throws you a curveball, but knowledge is power. By being aware of these alarming symptoms, you're taking a proactive step towards protecting your health and well-being. And that's what it's all about, right? Living your healthiest, happiest life. Stay healthy and stay informed. Until next time, this is Dr. Emily signing off.